This is how Shane Van Boening punishes a bad break. It all started when Albin kicked off the rack with a solid shot, but unfortunately, the cue ball scratched at the end. However, even with ball in hand, Shane Van Boening looked unsure which side to choose, as both sides were wide open. After a bit of calculation, he decided to take solids, sinking the 3 into the side with a soft stun. The cue ball came off one rail and landed perfectly on the 1. As he went for solids, this cluster here became the key problem of the rack, with a stripe blocking the way. Let's see how Shane was going to solve it. Right after knocking in the 1 with a 1-rail follow shot and landed perfectly on the 7, he then used bottom left spin to draw the cue ball back for the 5 in the top right. Right after that, Shane used a touch of left spin and cut the 5 into the top right, leaving himself dead straight on the 2. From there, he could stun the cue ball and take the 6 into the bottom right. What a clever solution. No need to break the stripe out. At this point, all he needed was a precise follow shot on the 6 to set up the 4, and the rack was basically done. The layout had opened up perfectly. Have you ever been in a rack where you couldn't decide which group to take? Because both looked too good to be true? Let me know in the comments.